4 10, tell them fall back.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here with a very quick video. Basically kind of just information so you guys don't miss this opportunity. I'm guessing most of you guys here on the channel watch the channel because of the mystery boxes or the beater boxes. And I know, I see it in the comments all the time that you guys want to get in on it, and you guys ask, how do I get a membership? How do I get these beater boxes? Where do I buy these from? And I've said it before, but this is a chance you don't want to miss. So I told you guys before that the best thing you can do is basically follow Soul Supremacy, where I buy the beater boxes from, because they update all the time about when they're going to drop boxes or when they're going to release new memberships. So the last time memberships released, I believe was like last year, maybe in like August. It was kind of a while back. So it hasn't been open since then. And I think about now, they haven't given an exact number, but I think from estimations, it's about 130 to 150 members currently. If you guys don't know, which I'm guessing a lot of you guys don't, they usually drop between like 50 to 100 boxes per week. Some weeks they have off, but you guys got to figure like 100 boxes times like 8 shoes is like 800 shoes a week. So yeah, think of it in that, and that's why boxes are like pretty hard to come by. So here's the information that you guys can't miss out on. So the first tweet that Soul Supremacy released 3 days ago was he will not be dropping the new beater box memberships for at least another week for those who thinks it's coming any day now. Yeah, I would say within the next 2 weeks, give or take. I'm not positive, but it's definitely worth following them on Twitter right now from this day forward, so you guys know exactly when the drop is going to be. The guys that run Soul Supremacy are obviously really good people. They're pretty straightforward with you all the time, so they'll give you a good 2 to 3 days in advance when they drop the membership. So that's why you gotta follow on Twitter, so you kind of know. I'm probably not gonna have time to make a video by that time. So the second tweet that he talked about was when he drops a new beater box membership, the buy-in will be about $500 plus the $50 a month, which is recurring. So that $500 price tag, it is daunting. You're basically spending $500 plus a recurring 50 bucks every single month just so you can have access to buy these boxes. It doesn't sound like it's worth it to a lot of people, but you gotta think of it this way. It is equivalent of starting up a business. You gotta pay money up front so you can start up your shop, so you can start getting inventory. And then you'll start seeing traction, and obviously you'll start getting revenue, you'll start making profit, you'll start like actually getting back your $500 and then some. So if you guys didn't know, and it seems like, okay, it's still not worth it. Within the last year, 2017, from beater boxes alone, I actually made $13,000 in pure profit. That is after fees, that's after tax, that is pure profit, 13,000. That's not a flex, that's not to say in your face, I got beater boxes, you guys don't. It is to let you guys know that the opportunity is well worth it. $500 is a small investment in the grand scheme of things if you can buy these things consistently and if you can make money off of them consistently. So basically guys, that's it. I get asked all the time, can I get a beater box membership? How do I get a beater box membership? Can I do what you're doing? And honestly, if you want to do it, the time is right now. He said in an earlier tweet, I gotta go find it and pull it up on the screen, but that after this initial drop, he's probably not going to release any more memberships for the rest of 2018. So after this, that's it for the year. Think of it that way. Don't think of it as maybe he'll release more. Think of it as you need to get this chance right now. The last time that I remember he dropped memberships, I didn't have to jump in there because I already had one, but I know that it sold out within 5 minutes. It didn't have that initial $500 entry, but it was $150 a month at the time. So you can kind of see how fast it'll go. 500 should deter a lot of younger people. It should deter a lot of guys that are very skeptical. But for the guys that want to make profit, for the guys that think that this can be an actual business, I fully support you guys in buying that kind of thing, because like I said, these numbers aren't made up. These are actual profit margins, and I hope you guys can get on that train. You know, do what I'm doing. Buying inventory is tough, guys. It's hard to get shoes at cost. It's hard to get shoes for like less than the actual competitive market price. So it's a good opportunity. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting sponsored to endorse Soul Supremacy like this, but I'm just letting you guys know from my experiences in over a year and doing these beater boxes that you guys see on camera every single week. It's well worth it. I mean, I really want you guys to try to have the opportunity. If you guys are younger and you have like your entire life savings is 500 bucks, don't do it. Don't do it. I would say definitely if you have like 5,000 in savings or somewhere around there, like, you know, it's healthy enough where this is like a very small percentage, 20 to 25%. 10% is ideal, but 20% I guess could be okay. But yeah, then you should go for it. It's definitely good. It'll be worth it in time. Be smart about it. Watch the Art of the Flip videos and you guys will definitely make money. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I mean, I just wanted to keep you guys updated because I mean, you guys came for the beater boxes. I hope you guys watch the other videos as well, but I know a lot of you guys are interested in that, and coming from me, I'm just letting you guys know I think it's worth it. And definitely follow Slow Supremacy on Twitter, because I'm not going to be able to tweet fast enough when it does happen. So that's your best bet. If you don't have a Twitter, make one. It's free. It takes like a minute. Worth it if you guys are trying to get into the business, trying to get into this reselling industry. So yeah, till next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay humble, stay blessed, take care. Aloha. I'll see you guys next time. Shoots.